Okay, so I got this new job. Thank you for calling High Hookup on Wheels. This is one and on the Beamer Drip. Talk to me. Okay. What do you do for a living? Okay. So you got money. Okay. And listen, what type of food you like?
I do not want to call her, but I do not feel like sleeping in this truck, boy. My boss done lost his mind, boy. Hey, sometimes you gotta suck up your pride. Hey, what's up, TT? Shit, just chilling. What you got going on?
Hey, bro, remember back in the day, we thought we were actually balling because we had a pocket full of paper food stamps? I thought you remember them days. that when the small bag of potato chips was 25 cents and the sugar baby was like 10 cents. And we kept going to the candy later, boy. Yeah, I remember those days.
Pick you up every day if you need it. You ain't gotta pay for nothing. You know what I'm saying? Listen. Let's work with each other. All I want in exchange.
She got that wet, she got that good. That bitch in front of ghetto, but she got that hood. Pussy delicious, pussy blowing kush. That's a smart piece of pussy writing books. I say she well educated and got a few degrees. Then she love cutting paper, bending on her knees. Yeah, she bout that life.